Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 3 Series. Right, from any screen basically, if you go to whatever you're listening to, if you go to music there, you'll see at the bottom there BMW. If I click that, it's three red circles and a triangle. It's showing there's a tick next to BMW 21535. That's this device. So whatever we play through here, so long as you've got it set up right here, the audio will come through, whether it be a YouTube soundtrack, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, iTunes, whatever, the audio will play through here, through the car. So we now go to media. Now at the moment, media is set up for disk. So what we have to do with the iDrive, if you click to the left, it then brings up a different menu, and we've got music collection, external devices and sound. So we go to external devices. Again, it's not really intuitive, this system. Brings up another menu. Then we've got auxiliary front, Barry's iPhone or another phone, John's phone that's connected, and I want my phone, so I click my phone. There you go, and that's, if I go back there, that's what's playing. It will also play if you've got any audio books, which is what I listen to mostly. We'll click that, click play. And there you go, it's took its time, but it's changed over, and it's just showing what's playing on my phone. That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.